Okay, need to make some new rocker bushings for this Springer front end I got here from a Triumph. It's 1969 Triumph Bonneville. A really neat old Springer front end. Let's see, first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove these old bushings. Kind of get a feel for how everything goes together here. Some super awesome chrome nuts that we're gonna have to wash and clean later. Pretty neat. Pay attention to what order we got the washers on there now, because that's the order we want to get them back on later. See, some of this chrome's kind of busted up, but I should be able to clean that up later. Let's see, these are fairly stuck, but not too bad. Pull out these shoulder bolts. We're going to go ahead and just pull off the one rocker for now. You see these bushings here. Put that shoulder bolt in there. Get all that play. Ooh, that'll make for a horrible, wobbly, floppy ride going down the road. So we need to go ahead and make some new ones. You see, it's worn out so bad they just slide right out of there. That's really not a good thing. See, only that one's going to slide out, but we'll get a punch out for the other one. Just as soon as we remember where the punch is at. And let's see, we need a good place to knock this out. I'm going to go ahead and use this vise. It should not lock down. And since this is an old bushing, we're not really too concerned with buggering the bushing up itself. We're just concerned with getting it out of there. Okay. Next step will be to go ahead and measure our inside holes here. We'll measure our shoulder bolts. We might even order some new shoulder bolts. These are kind of dirty looking, but we might be able to just clean them up. Anyways, I'll get those measured and I'll get some bushing material. We'll make it on the Shoreline lathe. But we'll be back in a bit.